The La Quinta latest market numbers are in, and they're showing a steady trend that could work to your advantage if you're thinking about selling. I'm Helma Christiana Bloomberg, and today I'm sharing this week's data so you can make the smartest, most strategic decisions for your property. This week, the median list price for single-family homes in La Quinta is $899,000. Our market action index is sitting at 34, which is up from 33 last month. That means we're in a slight seller's advantage, with conditions improving just a bit for homeowners. Inventory has decreased to 319 homes on the market, which gives sellers more leverage as buyers have fewer options. The median price of new listings is $1,287,500, and homes are selling at an average of $404 per square foot. The average days on market is 134, with a median of 98 days. But remember, those homes that are priced right and presented beautifully can sell much faster than that. Right now, 31% of homes have seen a price decrease, which tells us that pricing strategy is still incredibly important. 0% of listings have increased their price, so buyers are still very sensitive to value. 16% of properties have come back on the market, which can open up opportunities for buyers who missed out earlier. So if you're a La Quinta homeowner, now is the time to think about your next move. The market is leaning in your favor, and with the right preparation, presentation, and marketing, you could achieve an excellent sale price and a smooth transaction. If you'd like to know exactly what your home could sell for in today's market, contact me directly in the Palm Springs area at 760-636-3105. I'm Helma Christiana Bloomberg with Bloomberg Global Real Estate, serving La Quinta, Palm Desert, Indian Wells, Palm Springs, and the entire Coachella Valley. Let's make your next move the right one.